Alright, so today I'm going to show you a thing I finally managed to get on my watch that I've been trying for so long. I watched some, you know, 50, 60-second videos on YouTube about the Omnitrix app for the Galaxy S3, and I finally found the TGT file for it, but the installation method was really hard. I'm going to show you the app and the features right now, but if enough people make a request to make an installation video, I will make it, but do bear in mind that it is a hard method, so to say. You can do it, there's no impossibility factor in it, but you can do it, but it's really hard. It took me at least 3 to 4 days to do it, and in the process I broke my laptop, I broke my windows, and I had to get new windows for my laptop, and I was not able to get Java to work with Samsung Tizen Studio. Very common issue, but yeah, so we'll get into the details if I make installation video, if enough people make the request. I will leave a comment down below where I will ask you guys, and if enough people leave a thumbs up, then I will make a video, because most of the people that watch these kind of videos watch it for the amusement factor and not more so for how to get it. But if you want to get it, then I will leave a comment down below, and like the comment. So here's the app, as you can see. So here are all the aliens: Big Chill, Spider Monkey, Goop. This is Alien X, I think. Rat, and so yeah, that's about it. And if you would like to see a installation video on it, I will leave a comment down below, like the comment, and I will see if I can make an installation video on it or not. But do bear in mind, as I said, it's a really hard method. So yeah, it's lengthy and it will be hard, because most people don't even have tutorials on how to import and install TGT files on your Tizen watch. I was shocked that no one has a tutorial on it. So I will probably shoot it, but if enough people demand for it, I will make a video on it. Alright, so thank you for watching, and have a good day.